Touareg sets new standards. Above all, its optional inner vision cockpit, with the Discover Premium at the centre. The 38cm display is snugly fitted within the dash panel, ergonomically tilted towards the driver, completely switchless and highly integrated. Touch, hold, select. Customizing the home screen is entirely intuitive. Operation is just as simple. Use one finger within a menu, use two fingers to go to the next menu level. Or with a gesture, to scroll through your albums, for example. The digital cockpit tailors itself individually to its drivers. It can be flexibly adjusted using these buttons. For example, the large map that can even be zoomed in. Keep an eye on everything even in the dark with optional night vision. Its thermal imaging camera can detect people and larger wild animals up to 130 meters ahead, displayed in the digital cockpit. The car flashes a warning in combination with LED matrix beam headlights. Additionally, the brakes are made ready for emergency braking. Everything in sight. The optional head-up display projects important information directly into the driver's field of vision. For example, the speed and identified road signs, but also warnings from the driver assistance systems, as well as navigation information. Without the driver taking his eyes off the road, the head-up display can enhance concentrated driving and increase driving comfort. Being an SUV, the Touareg is able to tow particularly heavy loads. At the push of a button, the tow bar moves into position fully automatically. It makes the Touareg a towing vehicle with a towing capacity of up to 3.5 tons. Maneuvering with a trailer can take some learning, but doesn't have to, thanks to Trailer Assist, Volkswagen's towing assistance system. Activate, set direction, and off you go. Trailer Assist takes care of steering the driver of throttle, brake and gears. The rear view camera determines the tow bar's angle. Trailer Assist thus knows where it has to steer. Naturally, the driver can correct the direction at any time.